Hello, everyone. It's a pleasure to have you join me right here at the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. For those of you who have recently subscribed, a pleasant welcome to you. I'm Marva, and I'm so happy that you took the time to come by, and thank you for that. Now, remember also, check out the bell and click all. And that means you will be able to get all the videos that come up daily. Thank you so much for stopping by again. And to all the regulars, I really do appreciate you. Your views, your comments, your thumbs up, all of that is important. Thank you so much. And channel members, thank you for your support in every way. We at the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden appreciate you very much. Now, in today's video, I want to take you around the garden and show you three concepts, three things that could happen in a garden. So come with me. Let's look at these three things. In gardening, you have the good, the bad, and the ugly. Here's an example of bad. Heavy winds brought this bunch of plantains down. It broke from here. Yeah, this is one of the things that happens in a garden. An ugly truth. While that is happening, check out this tricolored Kaale. Seem to have grown overnight. Now that is good. There's also the ugly. Yes, these ugly pests, whiteflies in particular right here, they love tomato plants. And that's why these are looking the way they are now. Yeah, we had to spray with neem oil. But the pests, if you let them get away, they'll take over. Look what they did to these Kaale. These are worms. Yeah. An example of the ugly. Let's get this from the vine right now. Well, this may not be good either. That's how it is with gardening. You win some and you lose some. And look at the moth that is eating up my Kaale. Don't know what kind of bug it is. Just looks like a moth. Yeah. They're feasting. Somehow got under the netting. Another ugly truth about gardening. Pests. No matter how you try, it's hard to get rid of them. And though we have the bad and the ugly, I must say the good outweighs the bad. Check out these lovely crookneck squash. This tells me that we will be having squash soon. here's another one right here. And some more over here. Yeah, a beautiful container of squash. Yeah, so that's the good. And here's another good. Harvesting. That's definitely a good thing. You cannot harvest June plums or any other crop. Yeah, the good outweighs the bad. And how about this? This prolific papaya tree is giving up its fruits once again. And that, my friends, is a very good thing. So yes, the good outweighs the bad and the ugly every time. Check out this beautiful guava blossom. Yeah, looking so good. And that means very soon we will see more of these guavas. Yeah, there's more good than bad and ugly in the garden. And when the trees, like this Nesberry tree, is fruiting, hey, it can't be anything but good. So go ahead, plant something. You'll definitely get more good than the bad and the ugly. Many good harvests are waiting for you. So start today. Here are some examples of what you may reap. This is today's harvest. Plant something. Thank you for stopping by the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. Come back next time. Let's see what good will be happening in the garden.